Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is your boy Luis right here. In today's episode, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to remove the weather widget, which is this one, from the taskbar in Windows 10, okay? Now, we received an update probably back in June, early June, that gave us that wonderful widget right there, okay? Now, there's been a lot of people that have told me that is there any way that we can go ahead and get rid of that because it's annoying, and I would definitely agree with you because I feel the exact same way. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to do that in just a couple of clicks. All right, so that's the famous weather widget that was given to us in one of the previous updates. Okay, so the only thing you have to do to go ahead and remove that is go ahead and click anywhere in an empty space right here in the taskbar. You're gonna right click, then you're gonna go right there where it says news and interest. Then you're gonna go ahead and move over to the left, and do you see that right there where it says turn off? That's all you have to do. Just go ahead and click that. That's it. Now look at that, the taskbar looks a lot better, it looks a lot cleaner, and definitely looks the way it used to. Okay, now just in case you want to go ahead and revert that just for any reason, go ahead and right click anywhere in the taskbar, go to news and interest, and then you have the option right here. Go ahead and choose the icon and the text, or just the icon. Okay, but you know, I don't know for some reason, but I just definitely don't like that. All right, so that's the way you go ahead and put it back. But I will definitely recommend go ahead and turn it off. Okay, so that's the way you do it, just a couple of clicks, really straightforward. Okay, so thanks a lot for watching, thanks a lot for checking out my channel. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you here shortly. Peace out.